This is Max. He is 5 years old. Max likes games and videos. He sees a pop-up on the screen. It says, "Click for a prize." Max clicks the prize. The screen turns red. It says, "Virus." Max feels scared. A robot appears. "Hi. I'm Dot," says the robot. Dot wants to help Max. She teaches 4 safety rules. Don't click strange links. Ask before you download. Cyber Kitty is stuck in a chat room. Dot asks, "Do we share our name?" Max says, "No. That is personal information." Cyber Kitty is safe. Robo-Rex is behind a gate. Max types, "Chip 123. Dot says, "Too easy." Max makes a strong password. Rex is free. Cyber Fox is frozen. Max sees a strange photo. He does not share it. He clicks a report. Dot says, "You are a surf smart hero."